Afemai gba wa mo Ikevare Owiya Isa Idris Odugbo Wakaro Ibodu just iridekeze at least audio mere discussing numbers and numeration dohine onimi keke boduna all your branches of mathematics ní keke. First one arithmetic ile wa I láyé bagwe so wa filegbere because emi don discussion ní numbers and numeration na wa da emi all that emi deal ní ma re ma ní student ní ma ke ma mo re so ní subject natural mathematics in are. Now under numbers and numeration, the first one we don discuss natural numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers niki numbers ni maria re karo number ni mare karo. For instance mado carry o wa nirai community sema ebi made karo ọ̀pá eva eya enye easy ezan manyo karo like that mage o keke ni kanero. So number ni maria re karo okay ni ma using mare karo carry anything at all natural numbers as in because it carry automatic. So natural numbers we can say what these are numbers used in counting. Example 1 2 3 4 and so on. I carry 0 and again my carry point. For instance I no carry like class ogbare ore karo ọ̀pá eva eya enye maybe ogere mi wa nokira oputi o anyoda ogere mi ọ̀pá eva eya enye point easy as in maybe 4.5 or enye point ọ̀pá as in enye point ọ̀pá olua mapi soge gba because emu mi ni ukarei ọ̀pá as ọ̀pá evaya uge dem egbere because ikute uge parome as point. So anything other more point. And again 0 all we counting all your natural numbers. Natural numbers 1 noze gbare 2 3 4 all loaded like that 5 6 100 1,000 millions and so on. So any number apapata natural numbers. Okay, yes, the discussing now ogbo dey important. Now remember say many students man what dey important. Number 2 ni mature whole numbers. Any whole number see na ekiri number na makeke my keko as point or my kekero as fraction. My kekero as what? My keko as point. Maybe my give me 1.2. All numbers. Number re no kina egwe na muza. But let make a difference in all right between natural numbers and whole numbers. Whole number 0 whole number re. 0 whole number re. So the only difference around Niki, I can give example because it's still like maybe these are numbers used in counting. But when you talk about Amahagwemo whole numbers, but once again, you don't have missing of the thing. You get back boring. So whole numbers, we can say what? These are numbers without, we can put it like this, without what? Decimal points. Yes. So example 0 1 2 3, 4, and so on again. But I cannot get whether 4.1 whole number rẹ̀ gbèmí ọlọ́wà again. I cannot get whether 2/5 whole number rẹ̀ gbèmí ọlọ́wà again. Every whole number. So whole number rẹ̀ náà kí n ra màkà kẹ̀kẹ́ máa rí decimal point here. And the difference between emi oni number 1 na be number 2 na rẹ̀ dégbéa. Number 1, 0 your natural numbers are what? Counting numbers. While whole numbers, these are numbers without decimal point. And 0, whole number. After all, number 3, integers. Okay, integers. These are positive whole number. Positive whole numbers, comma, negative whole numbers, and what? And 0. So, when we show the integers, olemina ni mature number line. Okay, the mature number line. Adesese na already origin cause as in origin cause zero ki number zero and only middle na 0 ni ma keke o. Oberanso ni 0 na again with plus as in +1, +2, +3, +4, plus only usena. Okay, usumi usena. All meaning that +5, +6, +7, all then you continue. Then if you go boss on 0 na. Ore mori -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and so on. Okay, any number now. Negative whole number, money point now, -4. But only spacing out to this space. Zanarek biana number si von. I'm a picaro. That's why I cannot get go after 1 because +1. Ukarume 1, ugerume +1. Opa mako gwere. Because mathematics +2. My form yen share keko ni 2. 2 ni ma just see keke. So 2 biri +2 abopa re emi na pa mako keke yan. So I cannot go when the student after 2 number lara dog in here after 2 ugere ogwere 3. Who are me on? Who wrong it? Why? Okay, my money match at 2.1, 2.001, 2.00001, all with 2, all be right 2. But my harme 2.0, 2 parent, 2.00, 2 parent, 2.0000, 2 parent. But my harme 2.01 or 2.001, in as far as only number after point. Or with 0, no end this all. In fact, or we eminent Bobeka chalk integer. So after 2.2, number name after 2, or we 3 because only spacing up number is equal 4. They are uncountable. Man can pick carry number nera, but I cannot go integer la game here after 2. We just say girl when you know at 3 because any number na ni ma keke ni ma mi boduna any number sina ni he integers all numbers in ero e mo na ja re degbea onana o ma in fact the only e mo re degbea ni he ona ogere gwemo any numbers in egbo mori minus na. And another thing need to go query on the number now. I get a nugget when the student that minus 7 be let's say minus 3. Ola oremile. Oge la opere minus 7. Who fail this all? Who fail this all? May I explain why no fail this all? May just read any number now. 1 be 2. Ola oremile 2 abi. 2 remile 1. And ukaroni 1 na nurori 2. Udagazoni 2. Ipepe so berasi 1 nori. So number not that right. Berasi number. All remile only number. All remile. So the same thing. Only minus 3 ekore na. Eke minus 7 doye. Akami minus 4. Ademi minus 5. Minus 6. Minus 7. Maybe you pay around minus 7 rate. Minus 3. Ekore. Ola ipepe obera si minus 7. So minus 3. All remile minus 7. Mathematics. All my topic in nature inequality. So inequality sign ma do real. That is minus 7 or kizile minus 3. Minus 7 is less than minus 3. And I wish minus 3 na keke ara ale keke minus 7 or inequality sign ma do keke or we greater than, as in minus 3 is greater than minus 7. Maybe fulegbere ni rejo sinyo tuyoa irejo tuyoa emi da ikaroshi ebi ma láyé inde fulegbere ni do are yan de pe. So after integers maremori unnatural even numbers. Even numbers. Any numbers natural even numbers in a niki numbers nokina makari 2 dividing na so ni number oka keme so real to. For instance 4 divided by 2 alme maki enye equiva iyekenva maki maybe alimo enye iyekenva emudoru ureva nona Bakari alimo ize nage alege nu kan ni iyekenva ukareva nona odeke opari ege upo. So only zero which is 5 or we even number. So any number no kila ukari 2 divide this all. Okay, emesoso ka carry o ka ke opani nare even numbers na china. So even any minus 4 now, minus 2 now, even numbers here because we can divide the minus 4 by 2 and so get there we minus 2. But we can divide the minus 5 by 2. So everybody explaining even numbers. Would I just say these are numbers that are divisible. Yes, divisible. Any masina e just ri airoro no kina student inu do so awosha okaboso udugbe yo ekegbo divisible. Umi akoni emina e ma mini or them two them be divided last all. These are numbers that are divisible by 2. That are divisible by 2. Any number papatao natural even numbers. So example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. Any number na papatao even numbers in China because 2 of them have been divided in a or again emesoso. 12 will go 100 even number because I may no key 100 naira ni iyekenva o carry 50 naira nona ori 50 naira nona or akebe so reyobo. So even numbers na chi numbers niyan. After even numbers mage ogbemo odd numbers. Odd numbers or degbea from even numbers and emire degbea deki any numbers in China odd numbers in na Makari 2 divided so almost kill pari oto. Almost carry or we must odo carry because 1 odd number Maka divided 1 by 2. Okay, again no key alimu opa ni ikeva. Oka mapiri opa ni na o ifefa ni na. No. Yere alimu opa re. Emu to kelu o kelu pugaro. Ore fa eva, o faro eva, o harukun mi nona, orukun mi nona. In as far as who are mapiri omori points. Okay, omori points. In fact, odd number. So these are numbers that are not divisible by 2. That is 2 or mapi divided la nasina. So these are numbers that are not divisible by 2. 2 or mapi divided nasina. So example, this is odd number. Example. Okay, example. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and so on. Any number na pakpata, we can write 2 red divide this in now. We can write 2 red divide this in now. Or they carry auto. Or they more remainder. So, Emuadoru as students. A big worry, guys. Ogaga, oniga, oh we emi na nu just error. No, kerobe. Oji virus again. Unyo kekino to. Would they just even put a possible soni? Would they possible soni video? U possible so ujobe u kekero loto. Unyo keko to. So that at least sometimes u daobe. No be say phone. U get zonobe. Because he dey fully gbere. He dey fully gbere. Ila. So, arakogbe o. O agbe ara.